Hello, good morning everyone.
We will to doing a role play and to living and giving message. And my name is Rabia and my partner is.
My name is Katrunada.
Let's enjoy watching. Good morning, Go Booster Company. Rabia speaking. How may I assist you?
Good morning. May I speak with Mr. Babag, your marketing manager, please?
Yes, of course. May I take your name and your company, please?
I'm Nada. I'm from Mahakam Group.
Alright, Miss Nada, I would like to check Mr. Bambang's schedule, whether he is available.
Alright.
Alright, Miss Nada, thank you for your waiting, but I do apologize. Mr. Bambang is not able to answer your call because he was visiting the branches office with our director. Would you like to leave a message or call him back later, Miss?
Oh, alright. I leave message for him. Please inform to Mr. Bambang that I would like to meet him tomorrow at the Solaria restaurant across my office at 4 p.m. And please inform him to call me back as soon as possible in 081322333456. Is that clear for you?
I'm so sorry, Miss. Could you please repeat your phone number, please?
Certainly, it is 081322333456. Is that clear for you?
Yes, thank you, Miss Nada. Allow me to repeat your message. You would like to meet with Mr. Bambang at Solaria Restaurant across Mahakam Group at 4 p.m. and you would like to him to call you back in 081322333456. Is that correct?
Yes, it is.
Alright, Miss Nada. I deliver your message as soon as possible. Is there anything else I could help you?
No, I think that's enough. Thank you, Miss Rabia. Goodbye.
My pleasure. Thank you for calling Go Booster Company. And good morning. Have a great day. Top.
Come in.
Excuse me, Mr. Bambang, Miss Nada from Mahakam Group called while you were visiting Bridges Group and she left a message. Here your message.
Alright, thank you very much.
Alright, may I going to back my desk?
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, that's all our performance. Thank you for your attention.
Goodbye.